If you want to get the most out of Jira and actually visualize what's happening with your team or project, dashboards are the secret weapon. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create a clear, customized Jira dashboard using powerful filters, so you're not just staring at a wall of issues, but seeing the story behind your data. Stick with me, and by the end you'll have a dashboard that saves you time, helps you prioritize, and gives you real insights whenever you log in. Let's dive right in with step 1, creating your new dashboard. When you're in Jira, look for the main menu at the top and click on Dashboards. This is your command center for everything dashboard related. Once you're there, find and click the Create Dashboard button. You'll be prompted to give your new dashboard a name and a description. The description is important. Think of it like leaving a note to your future self or to teammates about what this dashboard is meant to track, maybe sprint progress for marketing or urgent bugs for release. Next, set the permissions carefully. This controls who can view or make changes to your dashboard. If you're working with sensitive information or just want to avoid accidental edits, set it for yourself or your team only. When you're happy with your setup, just click Create. Don't worry if you change your mind later, most of these settings are adjustable down the road. Step 2 is about building the brain behind your dashboard, the filters. Click on Filters in the main menu and select Advanced Issue Search, or just hit the search icon and choose View All Filters. Here, you can define exactly what kind of issues you want your dashboard to highlight. Maybe you want to see only open tickets in a specific project, or tasks assigned to you due this week. You can use the basic search for simple criteria or switch to advanced JQL Jira query language for more complex setups, like all critical bugs assigned to Alice in the last 14 days. Take your time here, and when you've got the results you want, click Save As. Give your filter a name that makes sense, a name you'll remember in a week. You might call it Open Bugs This Sprint or My To-Dos. The goal is anyone using the dashboard will know at a glance what this filter is pulling in. Now let's make it visual with gadgets. On your new dashboard, hit the Add Gadget button. Gadgets are like building blocks that display your data in charts, lists, graphs, however makes sense for you. Browse through the options or use the search bar if you know what you want. For example, the two-dimensional filter statistics gadget is perfect for comparing things like issue priority by assignee, while pie chart gives you an instant breakdown of categories or statuses. When you find one you like, click Add Gadget. You can add as many as you need, so don't be afraid to experiment. Finally, we'll tie it all together by configuring your gadgets with those filters you created earlier. Click Configure or the little Edit pencil icon on each gadget. In the gadget settings, look for the Saved Filter field or sometimes Project. This is where you'll pick the filter you set up in Step 2. This tells the gadget exactly what data to show. Customize any other options that matter to you, like which fields to display, how the chart should look, or the sorting order. Once you're happy with how it looks, click Save. By the way, if you ever build a dashboard with lots of different gadgets, consider adding filter gadgets as well. These let you apply interactive filters to the entire dashboard, kind of like giving your dashboard superpowers for slicing and dicing data on the fly. And that's it, you've built a powerful, personalized visual dashboard in Jira that updates as your team works. Take a moment to admire your handiwork. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, and if you have any questions or want to share your own dashboard tips, jump down to the comments. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy dashboarding.